Hey ladies, I am back with another video. Today, something special is happening. For the first time in 10 years, guys, I am using grease on my natural hair. Can you believe it? I'm so excited to share this with you, but first, please subscribe to my channel. Click that notification bell so you don't miss out on 2 videos every week. Let's get on with this. So to moisturize my hair, I'm going to go in with the TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. And then I'm going to seal that moisture with olive oil growth therapy. That's a grease. And yeah, that's all I'll be doing throughout the video. So of course, I'm going to start with spritzing my hair, and then I'll apply the leave-in conditioner to my strands, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply the grease to seal in that moisture. You'll see me do this throughout the video. It's a short video, but that's pretty much what I'm doing. If you followed me for a while, you know that I have dealt with some breakage in my hair recently. I've done a video about that, and I'll put a link above. And I am looking to improve or, upgrade my regimen in order to allow for healthier hair and recovery of the breakage that I've endured this year, 2021. So 2022 will be a year of just, a healthy hair journey. So that's what I'm doing. And of course, this video is very much motivated by you guys, because a lot of you guys have used grease for a while. Many of us have used it as kids, but I stopped using it when I started my healthy hair journey. But you guys have sort of said, hey, try it, you never know. So I am doing it here because you guys have motivated me to do it. But also a lady called Natural Academia, she uses grease on her hair, and she uses these exact products. And I'm actually naming this challenge the Natural Academia Challenge. I'll be doing it for about 2 to 3 months. And I'm naming it that because she actually uses this exact method to moisturize her hair and the exact products. The only difference is that I use water and she doesn't. The other thing is that she has got 4C hair, I believe, and I've got a similar texture, 4B, 4C. So, with our hair, dryness is an issue, and just looking at how her hair has flourished using something so simple, just 2 products to moisturize her hair, I am so inspired, and I'm, trying this out to see if it will help just improve my regimen, my natural hair regimen. I've also done a video very recently, and I named it I Was Wrong About Grease. And in that video, which I'll link above, I talk about, some of the reasons why people use grease and why others might not use grease. I share with you guys some research around grease and the safety of it, and also some alternatives to people that like the feel of grease on their hair but don't necessarily want to use grease per se. At the end of the video, I'll let you know how my hair is feeling after using grease for the first time. But I just want to say that a lot of us stayed away from grease ever since the natural hair movement started. And, there were so many reasons around stopping to use grease. And although we used it as kids and it worked well for us as kids, a lot of us followed blindly and just stopped using grease on our hair without being fully informed. However, we know that grease is probably the best sealant there is on the market. So it is sure to seal in moisture for dry, coarse hair, such as, type 4 hair. So that's a pro if you are interested in trying this out. You've probably seen my other videos already, but if you haven't, I have endured some breakage this year. Mainly around my sort of edge area, the nape, and just the perimeters of my hair, for so many reasons. And I'll put a link above if you're interested in that. And that's another reason why I'm looking to improve my current regimen. So after trying the grease on my hair for the first time in 10 years, I only have 3 words, guys, for how my hair is feeling. I love it. It feels exactly how I love my hair to feel when it's moisturized. It is soft, it is moisturized, it's bouncy. It's greasy, of course, because there's grease on there, but who cares? The hair is moisturized and that moisture is locked in. I know I said I wasn't looking to actually permanently include grease within my regimen, but honestly speaking, after this, I am so tempted, guys. And why not? I mean, the hair feels so good. I think the heaviness of the grease also just helps the manageability, and I'm sure my single strand knots, they're gonna be a thing of the past. So I'm excited to go on this journey, and I hope you can come along with me. If you're interested to learn and to see how my regimen will change to improve moisture retention and length retention, please subscribe, click that notification so you don't miss out on any videos twice a week. Until next time, bye.